Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Let's go see some stuff downtown. We're gonna go drive downtown Las Vegas, New Mexico and see what these old buildings are like. Check out that old hotel. And you know we love train depots. This is the Las Vegas, New Mexico train depot. It's still actively used as a train depot as Amtrak runs through here daily. Look at this sign. If you came here to gamble, you took a wrong turn in Albuquerque. I think we have a train coming in. There's some passengers up here. Man, look at that old building.
1.2 miles, turn slight right to East University Avenue.
All right. We're going to get on South 25 for a little bit. Then we'll get off on Highway 84 and get back on those back roads. All right, we jumped off of Interstate 25. We got on 84. 84 is a highway that's going to take us to southern New Mexico and keep us off the interstate. The cool thing about Highway 84 is it's actually historic Route 66. So as we do, we try to stay off the interstates, and as much as possible, we'll take Route 66 when we can. So here we are on Route 66, and it's southeast. We found the flat place again. So 84 dumped us on I-40 east for a little while, and then we'll take 84 up here around Santa Rosa to get back off the interstate. All right, we pulled off into Santa Rosa. I think we're going to stop by a restaurant we like and have dinner. There's Hotel Blue 66. And this is our favorite stop right here, the Silver Moon. I think it was one of our earlier videos. We are definitely going to have dinner here tonight. Look, they just turned on the lights. Specials today, enchiladas de Santa Fe.
They have tamales.
Yes, they have tamales. Wow. Nice. Hey kids, your mom wants one of these puzzle boxes for Christmas. She loves them. Look at that. All right, that was our dinner at Silver Moon Cafe. We enjoyed it so much. It's one of our favorite places to visit when we're traveling out west. So if you want some good food, stop by. It's right off of Interstate 40. The food is delicious. There's Paula. The food does have a little bit of spice to it. You have to like green chilies or red chilies, or you can even have Christmas tree, which is a New Mexico staple. It's getting late. I think we're going to call it a day. Thank you guys for watching and enjoying our trip with us. Follow along with us as we continue our journey. Please like and subscribe for more. Make sure you comment down below, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Good night.